No, no, no! Come on! Come on! You can't die on me. Don't you die on me now.
I guess we won't get to go on that fishing trip after all.
Don't you say that. We're gonna get you out of here.
I'm not going to make it. I'm lung shot. Tell my wife I'm not going to make it. I'm lung shot.
No, Sarge. You're gonna pull through. You're gonna make it, and you're gonna walk up to her on your own 2 feet right out of here, and you're gonna tell her yourself. And also, she's standing right over there. It's not far.
She and I have been at odds lately. Ever since she shot me in the lungs.
Are you sure? All right. I'll go tell her. I'm sorry to tell you this, ma'am, but your husband is lung shot, and he's not going to make it.
Well, you tell him that maybe after he's done dying, he can clean the garage like I've asked him to, I don't know, 100 times.
Oh, okay. I'll go tell him. Sarge! Sarge, wake up! Sarge, stay with me. So your wife said that when you're done, dying, that you should clean the garage.
Will you tell her? I would love to, if she hadn't shot me in the lungs.
Yes, sir. I'll be right back. All right. He said that—
you tell him that if he's still dead by the time I get home from work, I'll kill him again.
All right. You wait right here. All right, Sarge. Now, she said that—
Tell her that... She's a bitch!
Okay. He says, cough, cough, gurgle—
Well, you can tell him that if he doesn't get his bloody ass up, that I'll clean— This is all your fault!
Me?
If you would just
Absolutely
clean the garage like—
What you will?
Me?
You should clean the garage
Me?
up.
Are you
Oh, you
kidding
shot me
me?
right
No,
along.
I
I've
cannot
got
believe you're
There it
bringing
is.
that
There's
up
the
right
hole.
now.
My finger's in it.
This is
Oh,
just
well, it certainly
insane.
isn't
I
your
can't-
blood.